In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image width and height in Wix, ensuring the correct sizing for both desktop and mobile platforms. If you've ever struggled with making your images look just right on your Wix website, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started with some straightforward steps to achieve perfectly sized images. First, head over to Wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the My Sites page. This is where all your websites are listed, making it easy to manage multiple projects at once. Go ahead and select the site you want to work on by clicking Select and Edit Site. This will take you directly to the Wix editor, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, locate and click on the Design Site option. This will direct you to the main editing interface, where you can access all your site's design elements, including images. Now let's focus on those images. Select the image you want to resize. By simply clicking on it, you'll notice small circles appear at the corners and edges of the image, acting as handles for adjusting the size. To resize the image, use these corner and edge handles. Clicking and dragging these handles will allow you to change the image size, ensuring you maintain the aspect ratio by using the corner handles for a proportional resize. If you want to adjust the width or height individually, use the edge handles on the sides or at the top and bottom. This offers flexibility depending on how you want your image to appear on your site. With your image now adjusted for the desktop view, it's crucial not to neglect how your site looks on mobile devices. To switch to the mobile view, click on the mobile phone icon located at the top of the editor. This will change the preview to show how your site appears on mobile devices. In mobile view, repeat the same process as before. Click on the image you wish to adjust, then use those same corner and edge handles to fine-tune the image size until it looks perfect on mobile screens. Remember, maintaining a smooth, seamless appearance across all devices ensures a better user experience for your site visitors. With these changes completed, you can rest easy knowing your images are now perfectly sized for both desktop and mobile views, enhancing the overall look and functionality of your Wix site. You've not only optimized the visual aspect, but also made your site more user-friendly, regardless of how visitors access it. That's it for today. Don't forget to preview all your changes before hitting publish to see how everything looks live. Keep experimenting and adjusting until you get the visual perfection you desire. Thanks for watching and happy editing!